In the gentle silence of your inner world, a sacred mantra begins to echo. It is the ancient Hawaiian practice of Hooponopono, a profound tool for healing, forgiveness, and transformation. As you settle into a comfortable space, allow your breath to soften. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with peace, and exhale slowly, releasing tension. With each breath, draw yourself into the present moment. Here, in this safe haven, you are invited to embark on a journey of deep healing, a journey guided by 4 simple yet powerful phrases. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As the mantra begins its gentle repetition, let the words wash over you. There is no need to force understanding. Simply allow the energy of the phrases to move through you, touching every part of your being. Each repetition is an offering, a gift to yourself and to the world around you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Begin by tuning in to your heart. Notice any areas where you may be holding the pain, regret, or unresolved emotions. You do not need to name them. Just notice. With each cycle of the mantra, imagine these feelings being bathed in a soft, healing light. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As these words echo, they invite you to take responsibility for your own healing. It is not about blame, nor is it about shame. Instead, it is a recognition of the interconnectedness of all things. Every thought, every emotion, every action ripples out into the world. By choosing to heal yourself, you contribute to the healing of all. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Let the first phrase sink in. I am sorry. This is not an admission of guilt, but a gentle acknowledgement of anything within you or within your life that has caused pain or imbalance. It is an act of humility, an invitation to recognize that we are all human, all learning, all growing. Breathe deeply, allowing this phrase to soften any rigidity within you. I'm sorry. Feel the weight of old patterns, misunderstandings, and unspoken words begin to lift as you offer yourself compassion. There may be memories that surface or feelings that arise. Welcome them. There is nothing to fix in this moment, only to acknowledge and to hold with tenderness. Please forgive me. With these words, extend forgiveness to yourself and to others. It may not always be easy, and that is okay. Forgiveness is a process, a journey of release. With each repetition, you create space for new possibilities, for healing, for peace. Imagine forgiveness as a gentle rain, washing away what no longer serves you. Thank you. Gratitude is a powerful force. By saying thank you, you recognize the lessons within every experience, even those that have been painful. You express appreciation for the chance to heal, to grow, to transform. Feel your heart opening, expanding with gratitude for yourself, for the journey you are on, and for the opportunity to begin anew. I love you. These words are perhaps the most powerful of all. Offer love to yourself, to the parts of you that feel broken or lost, to the people and situations that have been a source of struggle. Love has the power to heal all wounds, to restore balance, to bring wholeness where there once was fragmentation. Let these words resonate within you, filling every cell with warmth and light. As the mantra repeats, imagine each phrase as a gentle wave, flowing over you, through you, around you. With each cycle, the healing deepens. Old wounds begin to close, replaced by a sense of peace and acceptance. The burdens you have carried grow lighter, and you feel more connected to yourself, to others, to the world. Now, as you continue to listen and repeat, notice how your body responds. Perhaps there is a softening in your shoulders, a release in your jaw, a loosening in your chest. The healing energy of Hooponopono works not only in the mind, but in the body and spirit as well. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Allow the mantra to become your anchor. Whenever your mind wanders, gently bring it back to these words. Each repetition draws you deeper into a state of stillness and surrender. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go. Just be here, in this moment, with the healing energy of the mantra, Consider now the relationships in your life, those that uplift you and those that challenge you. Visualize each person as a soul on their own journey, doing the best they can with what they know. Offer the mantra to them, silently or aloud, as a prayer for healing between you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Notice if there is any resistance. It is natural for old hurts to surface when we open our hearts. Allow them to be present, holding them with compassion. With each cycle, imagine these wounds being surrounded by light, slowly dissolving as forgiveness and love take their place. Now, turn the mantra inward once again. Address it to yourself, not just the parts you admire, but also the parts you judge, the parts you hide, the parts you wish were different. Offer these words as an embrace, a balm for your soul. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel the healing spreading through your being, reaching places that have long been neglected. With each repetition, your sense of self-compassion deepens. You begin to understand that you are worthy of forgiveness and love, simply because you are. As the mantra continues, allow your awareness to expand outward. Imagine the healing energy radiating beyond your body, filling the room, the building, the community, the world. See it touching all beings, those you know and those you have never met. In this way, your personal healing becomes a gift to the collective. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Reflect on the challenges you have faced in your life, the times of struggle, the moments of doubt, the experiences that left you feeling lost or alone. Offer the mantra to these moments, not to erase them, but to bring them into the light of understanding and compassion. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Acknowledge the strength it has taken to reach this point. Honor your resilience, your courage, your willingness to heal. With each repetition, allow pride and gratitude for your journey to fill your heart. Now consider the future, the dreams you hold, the goals you wish to achieve, the person you are becoming. Offer the mantra to your future self as a blessing and a promise. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Let these words be a guiding light, illuminating your path forward. Trust that by returning to this practice, you can continue to release the past, embrace the present, and step boldly into the future. As the mantra nears its completion, notice the sense of calm and clarity that has settled within you. There is a spaciousness, a stillness where healing has taken root. You may feel lighter, more at ease, more connected to the flow of life. Take a moment to rest in this space, savoring the peace you have cultivated. Know that the healing power of Hooponopono is always available to you. Whenever you feel the weight of old wounds or the sting of regret, you can return to these words, allowing them to guide you back to wholeness. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As you prepare to return to your day, carry the energy of the mantra with you. Let its healing presence infuse your thoughts, your words, your actions. Remember that true healing begins within. And as you heal yourself, you help to heal the world. With gratitude for this sacred practice, take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Gently begin to move your body, bringing awareness back to your surroundings. Trust that the seeds of healing you have planted will continue to grow, blossoming in ways seen and unseen. Whenever you need, you may return to this practice, repeating the mantra as many times as your heart desires. Each cycle is a step closer to peace, to forgiveness, to unconditional love. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Let the final echoes of the mantra linger in your heart, a gentle reminder of your capacity to heal, to forgive, to love. Carry this wisdom with you, and may it guide you always on your journey. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.